In this module, we will look at the SRA's scope rules and conduct of business rules in greater detail. The scope rules set out the conditions and restrictions with which solicitors' firms must comply when carrying on regulated activities, if they seek to come within the designated professional body (DPB) regime. They also prohibit solicitors from carrying on certain regulated activities, such as market making and dealing in the same way as a stockbroker, effecting and carrying out contracts of insurance, or administering a regulated mortgage contract unless in the firm's capacity as a trustee or beneficiary, where the borrower is a beneficiary under the trust, will or intestacy. Unless certain circumstances are satisfied, such as where the firm assumes on reasonable grounds that the client is not relying on the firm as to the merits or suitability of a transaction, a firm must not recommend or make arrangements for a client to buy retail investment products. These are ready-made, pre-packaged portfolios into which the investor buys and include life policies and unit trusts or shares in collective investment schemes, as well as any other investment that offers exposure to underlying financial assets, but in a packaged form, which modifies that exposure compared with a direct holding in a financial asset. Purchased directly from the product provider, retail investment products are thus ripe for abuse. The product provider levies management charges and tends to reward the sales force with higher commissions. For this reason, there are severe restrictions under the scope rules limiting the circumstances in which a solicitor may advise on or arrange the purchase of a retail investment product. Expert advice from an independent advisor must generally be obtained in order to deal in the purchase of such products. Independent advisors will need to consider a broad range of retail investment products and provide unbiased and unrestricted advice based on a comprehensive and fair analysis of the relevant market.